What's up YouTube? It's Winstonee coming back to you guys with a brand new video. If you're new to my channel, click that subscribe button, click the notification bell to get notified of every new video I post. So I'm coming back to you guys with another Dossier Cologne review. The colognes I have today are Aromatic Pineapple and Green Verbena. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Aromatic Pineapple, which is inspired by YSL's de Parfum. If you guys have seen my previous Dossier reviews, you see that they all come with this little info card. So it'll tell you all the information about each of their colognes or perfumes if you prefer perfumes. It gives you the name, it gives you what it was inspired by, it gives you a description of the notes, the concentration, and just how the company Dossier itself works. So all in this little note card. It comes in each box that you purchase your cologne in. The Aromatic Pineapple, the top notes, I should say, are bergamot, ginger, and pineapple. I told you guys in past videos that I love the bergamot scent. It lingers, it stays on the skin. It's really good. Base notes are amberwood, cedarwood, and olibanum. It's always good to have a base note of a wood scent, because then that scent will kind of linger a little longer than other base notes. At least in my experience, wood notes as a base, always the cologne tends to kind of stay on you and last longer throughout the day than just other scents that's not like a wood-based scent. Oh, by the way, the middle notes are clary sage, geranium, and juniper berry. Ooh, I love juniper berry. Okay. And it has a concentration of 15%, which is not bad. 15% concentration means that it might last, about halfway through the day. So anyways, I'm going to try it out now. As you know, I tried on the info card. I sprayed on here, then I sprayed on my skin just to get the difference. And here we go. Oh, it's getting everywhere now. Give it a little. I gotta spray a little more on. I can't really register. That did not make the card at all. Let me see. Okay, so I'm smelling the pineapple. I'm smelling the ginger, which are the top notes. Smelling really good. By the way, I don't really know how YSL smells. The YSL Eau de Parfum. I don't know how that scent smells. I've never smelled the YSL. I can't really tell you if it smells like what it's trying to inspire, because I have not smelled this scent before. So I will give a review of just if this scent actually, if it smells good or if it smells bad, and so far I'm loving it. I'm loving I'm just smelling the pineapple and ginger and the bergamot, which I love in a cologne. I've noticed on their aromatic smells that Dossier come out with, they're never too abrasive. It's never there are some colognes that are just so strong and the scent in them are just so there's some that tickle my nose. This scent is just very subtle. This scent gives me, it's a very citrus, obviously with the ginger and the pineapple, you get a citrus smell from it. Honestly, the only thing I'm really smelling is the pineapple and the ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on my arm. Spray it on it. I'm gonna use this arm for the other side, so I don't wanna rub them together. All right, let's see. Okay, so starting off with the pineapple and the ginger. I am starting to smell a little juniper berry a little bit. And I never really knew how juniper berries smell. I know now because I've been doing Dossier reviews for a few months now. So I can kind of recognize it. And I'm smelling the juniper berry. So one thing I will say about this scent though is it don't last that long. I don't know, once it's on your skin, it's I don't really smell it anymore. It starts off with a strong scent, but then the scent just kind of goes away. It's like, I don't know. We're moving on to the next cologne, Green Verbena. We'll figure out what's going on here. Oops. So the Green Verbena is inspired by Creed Green iris tweed. The top notes of this are verbena, green leaves, and peppermint. Ooh. Okay, that's interesting. You know, can't go wrong with a little peppermint. Is this gonna be a holiday smell? We'll see. Middle notes are orris, violet leaves, and aquatic accord. And then we have the base notes of sandalwood, green amber, and patchouli. That's what that says, patchouli. Patchouli. So concentration is 18%. So, you know, a little bit more than the aromatic pineapple. It should last longer throughout the day on your skin. You know, you should smell it for about a good amount of the day. 18% is actually really good. So we're going to smell it. See how this smells compared to the aromatic pineapple. Spray on the card. Oh shoot, I don't know what's wrong with my aim today. Jeez, it's not, okay. I smell the green leaves, I smell the peppermint, I smell the sandalwood actually. I'm smelling the base notes. I'm smelling more of the wood than anything else actually. So I think it really just went straight to the base notes. I'm smelling sandalwood and I'm smelling the green amber, the gray amber. It literally went straight to base notes. Because that's what I'm smelling, more heavy than anything else. Yeah, I'm smelling sandalwood. I do smell a little hint of the peppermint, but you can tell that the wood base, the sandalwood, is really dominant in this scent, and that it takes over most anything. And honestly, I like wood scents as a base note, but when it's this strong, you know, I kind of really don't like this scent anymore. Like this scent to me, like I don't think I would wear this scent, not because it smells bad, but because it's one of those scents that it's not really my preference in a scent. You know, I'm more so like I like more of like a citrus, like the pineapple, like the aromatic pineapple, even though I don't smell it. But scents like this that have like pineapple, ginger, you know, like more of a citrusy scent, like that's more of me. So we're gonna go ahead and test it on my arm. So let's see how it smells on my arm. Just kind of give it a little. Okay, so on my arm, actually it smells a little different. I'm smelling more of the peppermint. I'm still getting a strong sandalwood smell. So that sandalwood scent is really dominant in this cologne, in this smell. Actually, it smells better on my arm than it does on paper, which, I mean, you know, it's not as like in your face as me spraying it on this card, which is good. So it's a little more subtle. And it still smells great though. And I still get the hint of, you know, the peppermint and also the green leaves, which is really nice, and that kind of like balances out the sandalwood. It doesn't smell that much like of wood like it did on the card. This scent is great for someone who likes to smell like this, if that makes sense. And I can still smell it, unlike aromatic pineapple for some reason. I smell aromatic pineapple still a little bit, but I think I should smell it a little more, even especially since I just sprayed it like maybe like 20 minutes ago or something like that. So yeah, I don't really know about this one. It might just be the bottle, who knows? But aromatic pineapple right now is $29 if you purchase on Dossier's website, and green verbena is $49 if you purchase on Dossier's website. And you can get up to 20% off when you sign up on their site for their email listing. You know, they send coupons and just whenever they're having deals. Also, Dossier now, their best-selling scents are now in Walmart, which is great. You know, so if you don't want to purchase it online and you would rather go into a store to purchase Dossier, you can now go to Walmart, and they have their bestsellers in Walmart. Especially if you don't know how it smells, sometimes it can be a little iffy to purchase online. Because if you don't like it, well, the good thing about Dossier is if you do purchase it, you don't like it, you can send the bottle back and they will give you your money back. But you know, that takes time, shipping, and you know, you getting the scent, not liking it, sending it back, that could take a few weeks. The whole process just takes a few weeks. So, you know, if you just want to cut the middleman out, go to Walmart. I'm not sure if you can test it at Walmart. Probably, maybe. and, you know, smell the scent at Walmart. And if you like it, purchase it there. And if, you know, you don't like it, you don't purchase it. So it does cut down the time of trying a scent and sending it back online if you don't like it. So that's it for this review, guys, of Dossier's Green Verbena and Aromatic Pineapple. If you guys have any questions on these scents, or, you know, anything about Dossier, you can go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried out these scents before, if you like them, if you don't like them, or if you will try them. You know, just let me know in the comments. Follow me on all my social media sites, and I'll see you guys in my next video.